That's awesome.
So cute.
And I love what they said. They're talking about how it looks flawless,
Yeah.
but how difficult it is.
It is, props to those dancers, because I know it takes a lot of skill
Oh, I
and
couldn't
talent to
imagine.
do that. So can't wait to see their performance.
Stuff to look forward to for the holiday, and
Yes.
other things to look forward to. The forecast, things
Yeah.
looking pretty nice. Very El Paso-like Christmas looking forward. Hey, but I want to show you this. Take a look at our numbers, I should say, for the day today. 60 degrees our high temperature here across the area, and 35 degrees was our low. Our average low is usually being right around the freezing point, and can't complain too much. Take a look at our WeatherNet station here from Tomley Elementary. This is our WeatherNet side. I want to put it in motion for you. We had a beautiful afternoon into the evening, and it just was a really nice Saturday here across the borderland. Take a look at our current wind chill, though. 52 degrees in El Paso, 45 Las Cruces, 41 for Ruidoso, and 41 for TRC. And right now the temperatures are very similar because we don't really have that strong wind chill in effect, which is a good thing. Tomorrow, though, that is when we'll start tracking the potential changes because of the winds coming into play. And right now you'll notice calm in Las Cruces and only 3 miles per hour here in El Paso, 13 in Ruidoso. They're the strongest reporting right now. We had some of the rain push on in earlier, and now we just have some dwindling clouds here across the area. But you notice Deming all the way from Columbus into Cruces even got some of the rain. And it was just very light in nature, but nonetheless, we will still talk about that in just a moment. The winds, again, I will emphasize that because they'll be back for your Sunday at 35 miles per hour. They'll be back on Wednesday as well. And as it looks right now, they'll be back for next weekend on Saturday. This weekend, I think Mother Nature is kind of being nice with us and kind of letting us enjoy the mild temperatures here across the area. But here's the potential for rain I'm talking about. We'll go from 11 o'clock tonight going forward, and you'll slowly start to see some of the green pop up here in El Paso County, especially on the eastern area. 5 a.m., that's when we'll start to see some of that clearing come through. Notice by 6 a.m., if you're an early riser for your Sunday services that you're used to going, Mass or church in general, things are going to be nice and clear by the afternoon, and even by 5 o'clock, we'll start seeing those clear skies come through once again. The potential for rain looks to be minimal for your Sunday. It'll just be really early in the morning, and then it dwindles on out, even as we go through the rest of the forecast. But by Saturday, we have the potential for about a 20% shot at some showers with our next system. This model just saying that tonight we'll just get very little rainfall here across the area, probably just going to be enough to dirty the cars as we're used to seeing here across the borderland. Tonight, though, 35 for Ruidoso, and I'm going to call it a warm night for what we've seen over the last few nights, because the only place getting below the freezing mark is going to be Cloudcroft. Everybody else going to stay close to 40 degrees or in the mid-30s. Tomorrow, 47 for Cloudcroft, 61 at Alamogordo, 60 degrees for the Deming area, and then 60 degrees for Guadalupe Pass. El Paso, our forecast tonight, slight chance for rain showers, 40 degrees tonight with 65 degrees for our day tomorrow with those windy conditions. Las Cruces, 33 tonight with 63 degrees for our day tomorrow. Sunrise happening at 7 o'clock in the morning, 65 for your Sunday, then notice 64 for Tuesday, and by Christmas we'll still be in the 60s, but at least on the low end. We'll be right back with sports.